What's up, guys? Dante here, back. We're back. Yes, we're back with the unboxing. My brand new television. It's the Sony X900E 65-inch TV. Smart TV, 4K, HDR. Supposedly this is the brand that Sony, it's not the entry level and it's not the high end. It's kind of right in between those two. So it's kind of like 2 steps above the entry level, and then it's kind of like a step behind the kind of high end level. So this is the new TV for the man cave that we got going on down here. So stay tuned for more videos and possibly review, just to see my overall experience with this TV, because I have a 4K TV in my bedroom. It's a 50-inch by Samsung, and I will watch HDR content, but sometimes like the device that I'm using with my Xbox One X would say, if you want to get HDR content, get an HDR TV, and the TV has HDR, but then I didn't know there was different levels of HDR content where stuff like that. So enough with all that. So let's get to this unboxing to see what we get ourselves into. First and foremost, you know, this is the biggest TV I ever had. So hopefully that everything runs smooth. And Sony usually makes high-end TVs a lot, so they kind of like one of those companies like Apple, where a lot of their stuff is high-end. They make entry-level things, but their main focus is high-end products, like their TVs, their laptops. When they used to make laptops, they're usually high-end. So, like I said, this is like in between the high-end and entry-level. So, let's see how HDR content works with this. And what's this? Huh? Look at that. Setup guide right here. What we got? We got what kind of cable is this? Don't know what this is. This is look like AC cable. It's a power brick. Yo, it's huge. Okay, remote. Yeah, the buttons look like they're like. What's this? Oh, this is the stand. So okay, all right. Stand part now. All right, these are the legs. Hopefully they don't fall. So here we are, got the stand here. Now with the power of YouTube and editing, I'm gonna make this up real quick and you see the end result. And here we are. That part's plastic, the actual legs is metal, which is kind of interesting to me. That I don't care, but you know, you made this part metal and I made this part metal, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, now so I'm about to put these last, how many? We got 4 screws into the stand so we can get the stand up on here so we can be up and running. Huh, that was easy. I like simple. Alright, stand. We got the stand in there, so now it's just time to set this bad boy up, get everything connected, and let's see how it goes. Well, that's pretty much it for my unboxing of my brand new TV. I gotta get it set up and everything. Anything else like my Sling TV and anything else I've used as far as my apps. Start watching some content, some 4K Blu-ray movies, see how it turns out. Hopefully everything plays well. Let's see if the HDR is as good as they say it is. So stay tuned for the review in a couple of weeks, or how long it takes. I feel like I'm comfortable enough where I gotten everything out of this TV. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hit like and subscribe. Hit the comment section down below, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.